What's going on, guys? Catch me guys with a brand new video, guys, and in today's video I'm basically breaking down why you guys shouldn't be using Shopify to make your dropshipping stores in 2019. If you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to drop a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and if you guys want to join my Discord chat, the link is in the description down below. It'll be one of the first links down there. Essentially, guys, that chat is basically just a bunch of people who are in the e-commerce dropshipping community. People are all at different levels. It's not just, high level people, it's not just low level people. And the cool thing about this Discord chat, guys, is that you guys can ask any question in there and essentially somebody will answer it, one of the moderators, or I'll even be able to answer sometimes as well. Make sure if you are interested in that, click the link in the description down below to go ahead and join that. But anyways, guys, let's get into my computer so I can explain what's going on with Shopify and why you guys shouldn't be using it. So guys, we're in my computer now, and essentially what I'm going to be showing you guys here is the email that I got from Shopify on the first Monday that this happened to me. If you guys didn't watch the video from 2 weeks ago where I basically explained the whole story of what happened, go watch that. It'll be linked down below, but quickly and briefly I'm going to explain it real quick. I have 13 stores closed by Shopify permanently. They're not allowing me to access the admin of the store, so I can't fulfill any of the unfulfilled orders. They're not letting me export any of the customer data. Also not letting me contact the customers. That is the most important part, guys, because there's a bunch of unfulfilled orders throughout all these stores that were literally a day or two old that I was going to fulfill on Monday. Once it's back to the business week, I can talk to my supplier, get to the factory, send everything out. But they're not letting us do that. Obviously they closed the stores, which is really messed up, because think about it from a customer perspective, right? They just placed an order and they're not going to get it in about a week or two. They're going to start calling their banks and charging back, and that's just going to be on us. That's just kind of like an overview of the situation. It's really messed up, and it didn't just happen for one store, it happened for 13 stores in total. So 12 other stores besides this one pretty much got closed by Shopify. I don't want to do anything to fix it, so I kind of want to make this video telling you guys why you should avoid them, so you guys know what's going on and you guys are aware, because they can do it to anybody. They did it to me, they did it to 13 of my stores, but I recently figured out that there was a couple other people, someone who even did $5 million in sales, and he got all his stores closed. So guys, no one is safe. That's why I'm making this video. I really want to put awareness to the situation, let you guys know what's going on, because to a beginner, you getting your first store closed or your first successful store closed, that's really going to take a hit on you, and I really don't want that to happen to you guys. That's why I'm here making this video. But guys, Shopify is a scam company. If you literally look in their terms of service, which I'll actually go do for you guys right now. So as you guys can see right here in section 5.1 of Shopify's terms of service, which is essentially the thing you guys agree to when you create your store, that little checkbox that you check before you hit create my store or create your store, this is what's in it. So basically Shopify is saying that we reserve the right to modify or terminate the services for any reason without notice at any time. So what they're saying here, guys, is that we can close your store and not tell you, and do it at any time. So in their whole terms of service, guys, like they literally, it's so one-sided, right? I mean, Shopify does not care about you. They don't care about who you are, what you've done for them, how much you've paid them. If their robot flags something, to close all your stores, no questions asked. To protect themselves, they say, please note that for security and privacy reasons, we are unable to divulge the results of our reviews and investigations. Once an account has been declined, the decision is final. So they don't even give you a chance to let you explain yourself. Like, they don't even give you a reason to let you explain yourself. They act like you just murdered somebody. Like, it's crazy. And for all the time I've been on Shopify, I've never sold one thing that's against our terms of service, or against the acceptable products that you're allowed to sell on their platform. All the products have been in line, guideline with what you're allowed to sell. I had a chargeback rate of under 1%. It was 0.75. I mean, that's throughout my whole e-commerce career. So really, I don't understand what I did, and that's kind of wanted to bring awareness to the situation as well. Yeah, guys, that's our terms of service. And again, this is the page that you see when you try to log into the admin of the page, or even if you try to search up the URL of the store, this is literally what pops up. So any advertisement that was running at the time would just be directed to this page, just because the store is down. I mean, they took the store down. So we can't fulfill the orders, right? The ads are killed, obviously, because nobody can actually check anything out on the site anymore because it's taken down. But guys, this is a messed up situation. I would not recommend for anybody to be using Shopify at this point in time, given the fact that they will close your store at any moment, at any time, for any reason is reason enough to not use them. So guys, what are we gonna do now? What is the future of dropshipping, right? I mean, there's no more Shopify, so is dropshipping dead? Dropshipping isn't dead. Shopify is dead. I'm not gonna be using Shopify anymore. I'm switching to WordPress. So WordPress has been around longer than Shopify, and it's mainly used to build websites. Now, building a website and building an e-commerce store are definitely different things. But WordPress actually has a big library of a bunch of plugins that you guys can be using for e-commerce, such as WooCommerce, which is WordPress's native e-commerce platform, and it integrates right into WordPress. So that's actually what I'm going to be using from now on. And later this weekend, hopefully by Sunday, I'll be able to upload a video for you guys, kind of like my 3-part series that I did for Shopify of how to create your own store or your own dropshipping store on WordPress. And with WordPress, guys, you have so much more customization of that platform. You can literally customize any part of the website, your checkout page, your cart page, whatever page you want, you can customize it. You can add way more stuff to a WordPress store than a Shopify store, just because Shopify regulates their stuff a lot more. WordPress is a lot free. It's a lot more cheaper as well. With Shopify, all those apps start adding up, but WordPress is a lot cheaper. WordPress, guys, you really won't have any outages like Shopify has. Like, I'm sure if you guys have, had a Shopify store in the last couple of months, you're aware of all the outages that Shopify has. Their servers go down, whatever the deal is. WordPress, you're on your own hosting, and I'll be showing you guys how to set all that up as well in the series that I'm gonna be uploading later this weekend. But essentially, guys, your site will most likely never go down. WordPress is not only better for customization, but the design of your website, the user interface, you can attach a lot more payment gateways to WordPress, and also your site is literally your site. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's hosted by you. It's not hosted by a big company who doesn't care about your store at all. And another platform that I've been using, guys, is called BigCommerce. If you follow me on Instagram, I talk about them a good amount. It's a great platform as well, but I just won't be releasing a video series just yet. It's gonna take me a little bit longer for BigCommerce just because it has a lot more intricate stuff designed into it. I have built a couple stores on BigCommerce. I don't like it as much as WordPress, but it does look promising. I am working with a couple developers right now to kind of put a little package for you guys together to make BigCommerce a lot more easier, but it does seem that WordPress is going to be taking the lead to replace Shopify right now. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Just to recap again, Shopify is a no-go. Please do not use Shopify, guys. I'm not saying this just because they fucked me over, just because honestly, if you're using Shopify, you're just going to get screwed over eventually. I mean, think of this scenario. Imagine the next store that you guys launched is going to make $100,000 in a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever the deal is. And say the day after you make that 100,000, you want to go fulfill the orders, but you sign in and you see your store's gone. What are you going to do? You can't call them. You can't appeal the decision. They won't even give you an email back. And you're screwed. Your orders are gone. Your successful store is gone. And all for what? Because you didn't want to spend 10 more hours learning a new platform and putting your store on there. Listen, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. It is not worth it to use Shopify. It may be a lot easier in the beginning just because you guys are so comfortable with it. And honestly, I was really comfortable with it as well. And it took me a minute, honestly, to transfer to that new platform. But listen, you don't want to waste your time and get your store closed and just go through the headaches that comes with that. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to drop a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and also make sure to join my Discord chat. The link is in the description down below. We have like 50 people in there right now. It's a pretty good place if you guys have any questions related to e-commerce, dropshipping, whatever the deal is. And I'm also giving away 2 consulting calls in there every week as well. So if you guys want to join that, the link is in the description down below. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.